Hi, I'm Dominick Izzo, and I want to welcome you to the Bull of MLM Network Marketing Warfare. Listen, network marketing is one of the single greatest sources of wealth creation, personal development, and community building that there is in capitalism. But I'm not going to lie. It is also one of the most worst abused and misrepresented and manipulated industries out there. And many of you know this. The purpose of these videos, the training videos and the interviews, is to wind up putting some integrity back into the industry. If after watching the videos, you're thinking to yourself, you know, I've never been involved with network marketing, but I want to get involved, or maybe you're with a company right now and you're not getting your needs met via training, or maybe you have PTSD from the past of network marketing, but you want to get involved with it again, get a hold of me, 708-982-0974. That's my number. Call me, text me. It's going to be me that answers the phone. Listen, I truly believe that together through education, through passion, through service and integrity, we can change the network marketing industry together. I'm Dominick Izzo, and I am the Bull of MLM, 708-982-0974. I hope these videos have value for you. I look forward to hearing what you thought about them. I look forward to connecting with you, serving you, and changing the industry together. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.